Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance. Let's face it, managing money can feel like wrangling kittens, chaotic, unpredictable, and sometimes downright frustrating. But fear not, financial warriors. There are tools out there to help you get a grip on your spending and achieve your financial goals. One popular option is Mint, an app developed by Intuit. But the big question is Mint free to use? The answer, like most things in life, is a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. So, buckle up, and let's crack open the piggy bank of knowledge about Mint and see if it can help you become a financial master. Mint, your one-stop financial shop. Well, almost. Imagine having all your financial accounts, bank accounts, credit cards, investment accounts laid out before you in one place. That's the core idea behind Mint. It acts as a central hub, securely connecting to your various financial institutions and pulling in your transaction data. This gives you a holistic view of your financial health, allowing you to see your income, expenses, savings, and net worth all at once. Pretty cool, right? But here's the key point: the core features of Mint are absolutely free to use. You can track your spending, set budgets, categorize transactions, and receive bill pay reminders, all without spending a dime. That's why Mint has become a popular choice for budget-conscious individuals who want to take control of their finances. But wait, there's more, maybe. Now, while the core functionality is free, there was previously a premium version called Mint Plus. This offered additional features like credit score monitoring, bill negotiation tools, and more in-depth financial insights. However, here's a crucial update. As of March 2024, Mint has shut down its service. Intuit, the company that owns Mint, has transitioned its users to Credit Karma, another personal finance app they own. Credit Karma offers some features similar to Mint's free version, but it primarily focuses on credit score monitoring. So, where do we stand today? Currently, there's no paid version of Mint specifically. However, depending on your needs, Credit Karma might be a good alternative. It's free to use and offers some features that complement Mint's core functionality. The alternatives, beyond the Mint condition. If Credit Karma doesn't quite fit the bill, fear not. The personal finance app market is brimming with options. Here are a few popular choices, all with free tiers. In-app, you need a budget. In-app takes a unique approach, focusing on budgeting with the money you've already earned. It's a powerful tool for those looking to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Personal Capital offers a comprehensive view of your finances, including investment tracking and retirement planning tools. Rocket Money, this app helps you manage your bills, track spending, and even cancel unwanted subscriptions, a lifesaver for those hidden monthly fees. Remember, the best app for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. The takeaway: free budgeting power, with options. While Mint itself is no longer available, the good news is that there are plenty of free and powerful budgeting apps out there. Don't be afraid to explore your options to find the perfect tool to help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, taking control of your finances doesn't have to break the bank. With a little research and the right app, you can become a budgeting champion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.